So I'm just getting my hair done. Yeah, me and Emily are matching right now. We are shooting some Saski stuff this morning. We've got our Heartthrob collection that we're launching like really soon. So we're gonna do a little shoot for it. It's super limited and it's just, yeah, Saski collection and District Goods like collaboration. So it's really like cool stuff and yeah, can't wait for you to see. Kiki Hair Extensions, by the way guys, doing my hair. I'm doing super long braids today. Love.
This was for the printing.
Love it.
On the start.
And Emily is just doing her hair straight.
Yeah, no, thanks for the crazy hairstyle you chose for me. Tammy, your hair looks so good. Hair is all straight.
Looks really good.
Thank you, Kiki Hair, my girls. Right here. Follow them. I'll put them in the description below. You can't see Gemma. I have to show her. She said, do not get me on the camera. But I just had to. So Tammy's going to style us now. And then I think we're going to drive to a location to do the shoots.
Looks so good.
Hairbrush. My little comb. Bella's comb.
Guys, you like the look? My hair's like Amy's now. Amy's hair's so curly. Anyway, yeah, I just took my braids up. And there you have it. Looking good. By the way, that stuff in the shoot is being released like really, really soon. So it's super exciting. Okay, bye.